In this video, we're going to show you how to create a rule requiring the staff hours when an inspection is marked as completed. So if we check the completed box, staff hours will be required. Conditional requirements need to be set up as validation errors in FHNet. So we're going to go to the staff hours field and go to Manage. And now we're going to go ahead and add a rule. It needs to be a validation, and the rule that we're going to build is going to say if the completed field is true, it's now a logical field in FHNet, and the staff hours equals 0. So we're going to start off with an AND statement and then build two separate expressions on either side of that AND statement. So first thing we're going to do is give the rule a description and a message. And we're going to go into the expression builder. We said we're going to start off with an AND statement, which is at the top of the list. So our first AND statement is actually going to be equals, and that's going to be the logical field of completed. So we need to go to equals logical because we need to compare two things. We need to compare the field, or what they consider the context reference of the completed field, and down here it's going to say is it true or false, and what we want to look at is true. We check it for true, we uncheck it for false. So the first part of our expression is if completed is true, and now we build our second portion. This is going to look at the staff hours field and whether or not it equals 0. So we're going to come down here to equals, and it's going to be a decimal field because it has a period and the ability to add additional numbers after it. So the first part of what we're looking at is the field of staff hours, which would be a context reference. We'll choose our staff hours field. And then down here will be equal to 0. So we're going to click OK. We're going to verify our rule. We'll click OK. And now we'll go ahead and test it. So now, if we mark this as completed, you'll see that the staff hours has to have some value in it.